the traditional owners of the land on which we stand and on which this project will be built. Everybody na Momono Timba, and we particularly thank the people of Bukuya for the ceremonies of welcome. And we pay our respects to the chiefs of Ba, past, present, and emerging leaders. And we acknowledge their enduring role in the leadership and the preservation of the Manua and its values. We are grateful for their custodianship, which allows us to convene for this very important occasion. It is a distinct privilege to join you in Ba today. We're glad to be here for the groundbreaking ceremony for the Race Course Hotels and Apartments project. Today's event marks far more than just the commencement of a construction undertaking. It reflects growing investor confidence in Fiji's economy and economic prospects. It demonstrates the continued vitality of the Western Division and highlights the opportunities that remain available despite ongoing global economic uncertainties. Fiji is entering a new phase of economic transformation. Our national ambition is very clear: to accelerate sustainable economic growth, to increase productivity, and attract greater investment, create quality employment, and achieve high income status by 2050. Ladies and gentlemen, Ba has long been an important contributor to Fiji's national development. It is a province renowned for its industrious people, strong agricultural foundations, thriving commercial sector, sporting achievements, and generations of distinguished. Today's project is just another example of an enduring legacy. It reflects continued confidence in the potentials of Ba and demonstrates how investments in this province contribute to the wider progress and prosperity of our nation and future generations. As Fiji's towns continue to grow, so too does the need for quality housing, reliable infrastructure, modern public services, and greater investment. One area of increasing demand has been quality accommodation, whether for business travelers, tourists, sporting teams, or visiting families. Modern hospitality facilities are essential for growing regional hubs. Ba has long been recognized as one of Fiji's most vibrant commercial and agricultural centers. With continued investment in modern infrastructure, in hospitality, in housing, and commercial services, Ba is well positioned to become an increasingly important regional growth hub for the Western Division. We thank you for your resilience and your confidence in Ba and the country and the nation and government. I'm sure that we will all be looking forward to the successful construction and completion of this project. As Fiji continues to pursue its ambition of achieving sustained annual economic growth of around 6%, as I've mentioned, every productive investment matters. Projects of this nature expand the productive capacity of our economy. It strengthens the tourism and services sector. It increases business confidence and contributes directly to national GDP. Ladies and gentlemen, today's groundbreaking represents more than just the beginning of a construction project. It reflects confidence in Fiji's future. It reflects confidence in our economy, and it reflects confidence in the people of Ba. It demonstrates what can be achieved when governments, investors, landowners, financial institutions, and communities work together with a shared vision for development. Together we can realize our vision of 2050, achieve our ambition of sustained economic growth of around 6%, create better jobs for our people, and build a stronger and more resilient and more prosperous Fiji for future generations. I'm honored. It gives me great pleasure also to officially declare the commencement of the Race Course Hotels and Apartments project. In our level, God bless us all. May God bless Ba. God bless the project owners and developers. In our level.